There's increasing concern about the ability for a small inventor to battle patent infringement by a large corporate entity, especially when the inventor can win at the district and appeal court level, only to have the patent invalidated by PTAB, which has an 84% invalidation rate. That's the numbers they've given me. What is your advice to small inventors who have products that are targets for large-scale infringement, particularly when they don't have the millions of dollars and years it takes to fight?
Yeah, so there's a wonderful movie that I would recommend for inventors. It's called Flash of Genius, and it covers the intermittent wiper blade and how the individual inventor had this long, drawn-out battle with the car manufacturers over his idea. Of course, this movie is set 30, 40 years ago, and a lot of people have this perception that patents are still very difficult to enforce for individual inventors. What you need to keep in mind is that the landscape for the individual inventor has completely changed in recent years, because you now have a lot of law firms that are taking these cases on contingency. And if you're familiar with contingency fee lawyers for auto accidents or personal injuries, it's a lawyer that represents you, and you don't pay the lawyer out of pocket. The lawyer is paid from the recovery in personal injury cases. There were very few intellectual property attorneys that would venture to take cases on contingency. The landscape has changed. So today, if you have a strong case for patent infringement, I would not give up without pursuing contingency fee litigation to try to get your rights protected. And you wouldn't have to pay out of pocket. Now, that's not to say that it's easy to find lawyers that are willing to do this. They're typically very choosy on what cases they take, because they're taking a huge risk that if they lose the case, they don't get paid. So you have to have a solid case. But if you have a strong patent and infringement is clear, there's no reason why lack of funding should stop an inventor from going forward.